Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Belle. Today we are going to make some nice ginger and lemon drink. Please like and share, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you very much. Now this right here is ginger, washed and peeled. So we'll chop this ginger up just like this, but we are not throwing away the peels. We'll use it in the next step, you'll see. So when we are done chopping, we'll set it aside. We'll also wash, cut and juice our lemons and keep the peels for later. The lemons are 6. So here let's put our medium-sized saucepan on heat with water. The water is up to 1/4 of the pan. Next we'll pour our ginger peels in the water. And add 1 cup of sugar. Next, we'll pour the peels of our lemons into the water as well. Stir and bring to a boil for a minute and proceed to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. The peels of lemon actually contains higher concentration of nutrients, so does the peels of ginger contain antioxidants and a lot more. So imagine the goodness we are going to be drinking. Wow! Stir and cover to continue boiling for about 6 minutes. Do you like ginger or lemon in your meals? Please comment down, guys, and tell us. Thank you. And also do like, share, and subscribe, guys. Now we are going to blend our already chopped ginger. So we'll pour into the blender our ginger. And we'll add 1 tablespoonful of cloves, 1 teaspoon local black pepper. Add a little water and blend till nice and smooth. We'll now go ahead to sieve so we can have our nice ginger and lemon juice. So with our sieve ready, we'll first strain our squeezed lemon to get the seeds out. You can use water to help get all the goodness out. Yes. Next, we'll strain our blended mixture and try to get out all the juice. You may use the masher to help the process. Use water as and when necessary. We can now go ahead and strain our boiled goodness of ginger and lemon peels and turmeric powder. All these will make us some powerful drink of ginger and lemon. You'll love it. After straining the peels, we can stir to mix well our juice. Next is to give it a second strain to complete the process. The ginger and lemon drink is ready, full of goodness. Do you know that this drink is great at soothing colds? Yes, take this when you have a cold and you feel much better. You can also make it a daily drink. Just sip on it and you may prevent colds, and also sip it for your general well-being. Enjoy the deliciousness too. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I have left the ingredient list for you. Please check it out. Also like, share, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.